Meaning of Gujarati.
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 Gujarati. Gujarati refers to both a language and an ethnic group. The Gujarati language is native to the Indian state of Gujarat, where it is spoken by over 60 million people. It is also used in parts of Pakistan and other countries with Gujarati-speaking populations. The Gujarati ethnic group comprises people who trace their ancestry to the Gujarat region. Many Gujaratis have migrated to countries around the world, particularly in the United Kingdom and North America. They are known for their entrepreneurial spirit and contributions to the fields of business, medicine, technology, and more.